A maiden speech, प्रथम भाषण. Her maiden speech was truly impressive. A lion's share, महत्वपूर्ण तथा बड़ा हिस्सा. The manager took a lion's share from the profit. At home in, अपना सा महसूस करना. Rahul feel at home in friends company. At large, पकड़ से बाहर होना या खुला घूमना. The murderer is still at large. All and sundry, हर कोई या फिर केवल कुछ विशेष व्यक्ति नहीं. Law is applicable to all and sundry. A close-fisted man, कंजूस आदमी. My uncle is a close-fisted man. A bed of roses, सुख में होना. Life is not a bed of roses. A hard nut to crack, मुश्किल काम. Passing civil services exam crack is a hard of letters, विद्वान आदमी. My grandpa is a man of letters. A white elephant, अत्यधिक खर्चीली वस्तु. A hard pill to swallow, स्वीकार करने में मुश्किल होना. Failure of a brilliant student is a hard pill to swallow. All the way, पूरी तरह से. The ladder reaches all the way to the top of the house. At bay, किसी चीज़ से सुरक्षित दूरी बनाए रखना. I keep myself at bay from alcohol. At 6 and 7, तितर बितर होना. I found my room at 6 and 7 when I got back home. At the 11th hour, अंतिम समय पर. We planned a picnic at the 11th hour. A fool's paradise, क्षणिक खुशी. Don't go for a fool paradise, but for an eternal happiness. A laughing stock, हंसी का पात्र. Stupids are always a laughing stock. A fair weather friend, सुख में साथ रहने वाला मित्र. I always keep distance from a fair weather friend. Above board, ईमानदार. My dad is above board in all his dealings. All in all, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण अथवा सर्वे सर्वा. The president is all in all of the Indian Defence Services. At random, बिना उद्देश्य के. He asked me many questions at random. A bone of contention, झगड़े की जड़. Since Independence Day, Kashmir has been a bone of contention between India and Pakistan. A wild goose chase, निरर्थक प्रयास करना. Learning French is a wild goose chase for you. A bosom friend, घनिष्ठ मित्र. A bosom friend will always be with you even in difficulties. At a stone's throw, निकट होना. My house is at a stone's throw from railway stations. A Herculean task, मुश्किल काम. Farming is a Herculean task to me. Apple pie order, उचित ढंग से. Ram puts his books in apple pie order. An axe to grind, मतलब निकालना. He meets me only when he has an axe to grind. A red lettered day, स्वर्णिम दिन. Winning the World Cup was a red lettered day for India. At daggers drawn, शत्रुता होना. Once they were friends, but now they are at daggers drawn. An apple of discord, झगड़े की जड़. Kashmir is an apple of discord between India and Pakistan. A blackhead, मूर्ख व्यक्ति. Everybody was laughing at a blackhead in the market. A man of straw, कमजोर व्यक्ति. He never achieved that potential as he was a man of straw. A black sheep, बदनाम व्यक्ति। His uncle is a black sheep of the family because of his deed. Apple of one's eye, अत्यधिक प्रिय होना। Every child is the apple of his mother's eye. At arm's length, निकटता ना होना। I keep some of my so-called friends at arm's length. At your finger tips, बहुत अच्छे से याद होना। When you have the formulas at your fingertips, then you can solve mathematics easily. At sea, परेशान। Beginning a new venture left him at sea. A horse laugh, बेकार की हंसी। If you want to see a horse laugh, then you must go to mental hospital at once. At stake, दांव पर लगा होना। The prestige of country is at stake now. A far cry, मुश्किल होना। Acting is a far cry to a person like me. By leaps and bounds, तीव्रता से। Our country is making progress by leaps and bounds. By fits and start, अनियमित रूप से। He earns by fits and start. ब्लू ब्लड, प्रतिष्ठित परिवार से संबंध रखना। कुमार इज अ ब्लू ब्लड बॉय इन द स्कूल। बाई ऑल मीन्स, हर तरफ से। ही इज ट्रैप्ड इन डेब्ट बाई ऑल मीन्स नाउ। बाई एंड लार्ज, सामान्यतया। ही इज अ वेजिटेरियन बाई एंड लार्ज। बाई हुक और बाई क्रूक, किसी भी प्रकार से। I want this work to be done by hook or by crook. By means of, की मदद से। He can pass the exam by means of this book. बैग एंड बैगेज, सारे सामान के साथ अथवा बोरिया बिस्तर के साथ। द ब्रिटिश लेफ्ट इंडिया बैग एंड बैगेज इन 1947. बिसाइड द मार्क, असंगत। यू जस्ट concentrate on important things and not beside the mark. Bigger description, वर्णन से बाहर होना। The beauty of the Taj Mahal beggars description always. Burning questions, महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दा। Price rising is a burning question in India. By dint of, के कारण। He passed the exam by dint of his hard work. Beat about the bush, घुमा फिरा कर बात कहना। Our boss always beats about the bush when he has to tell us bad news. Blockhead, मंदबुद्धि। You are such a blockhead, my friend. By fair means or foul, किसी भी तरह से। He was determined to become teacher by fair means or foul. अब सी से देखते हैं। Cast pearls before swine, मूर्ख को मूल्यवान वस्तु देना। Giving him advice is just casting pearls before swine. He does not listen. Drop in the ocean, ऊँट के मुंह में जीरा। The salary he got is like a drop in the ocean for him. Days of milk and honey, सुखद समय। Everybody wants to spend the days of milk and honey after earning a lot of wealth. Die in harness, कर्तव्य पालन करते हुए मृत्यु होना। Our soldiers die in harness while fighting for the country. अब ई से देखते हैं। End in smoke, समाप्त होना। All my wishes to be an army officer ended in smoke when I lost one of my legs in an accident. अब जब से देखते हैं। Fight sky off, दूर रहना। I always fight sky off the friends who waste their time in gossips. Fair and square, ईमानदार। One must be fair and square in one's business. For good, हमेशा के लिए. I am leaving Delhi for good. French leave, बिना बताए अवकाश लेना. Being on French leave, his boss suspended him from the job. Face to face, आमने सामने. When I met her face to face, I could not utter a word. Far and near, हर जगह. Sand is far and near in the desert. From hand to mouth, मुश्किल से गुजारा करना. The farmers in India are living from hand to mouth. गिफ्ट ऑफ द गैप, बोलने की कला में माहिर होना. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी हैड द गिफ्ट ऑफ द गैप. गेट रिड ऑफ, छुटकारा पाना. ट्राई टू गेट रिड ऑफ योर बैड हैबिट ऑफ स्मोकिंग, एज वी ऑल नो दैट स्मोकिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ. ग्रीज समवन्स palm, रिश्वत देना. ग्रीजिंग द palm हैज बिकम कॉमन दीज डेज. हिट बिलो द बेल्ट, अनुचित तरीके से. इन ओल्डर डेज सोल्जर नेवर लाइक टू हिट बिलो द बेल्ट. हार्ड एंड फास्ट, निश्चित. देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल अबाउट दिस प्रोसेस. ह्यू एंड क्राई, हाय तौबा मचाना. There was a lot of hue and cry on the death of the minister. Hand in glove, एक साथ. Culprits will always be hand in glove to one another. High time, उचित समय. It is high time you purchased a flight. Hale and hearty, अच्छा स्वास्थ्य होना. A person who is hale and hearty is always happy. इन ब्लैक एंड वाइट, लिखित रूप में देना. आई वॉन्ट एवरीथिंग इन ब्लैक एंड वाइट टू अवॉइड ए मेस. इन ल्यू ऑफ, के बदले में. आई गॉट अ न्यू डील इन ल्यू ऑफ द ओल्ड वन. इन अ नटशेल, संक्षेप में. आई टोल्ड हिम ऑल द इवेंट्स इन अ नटशेल. इन गुड फेथ, भरोसा होना. आई एम इन गुड फेथ ऑफ माई एम्प्लॉयर. इन द फेस ऑफ, विरोध के बावजूद भी. इन द फेस ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट ही स्टिल सेलेक्टेड फॉर दिस. इल एट ईज, बीमार होना. He felt ill at ease these days, so he discontinued his job. In full swing, तीव्र गति से. The construction is going on in full swing. In a fix, परेशानी में होना. Choice of a suitable career left him in a fix. In the throes of, संघर्ष करना. The batsman was in the throes of getting runs. Ins and outs, बारीक जानकारियाँ. A leader should be aware of the ins and outs of laws. Iron will, दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति. People with iron will get success in their life. In cold blood, शत्रुता होना. The boy was murdered in the cold blood. In the teeth of, कड़े विरोध के बावजूद. Hindu code bill was passed in the teeth of opposition by various organizations. In the nick of time, सही समय पर. Batsman hit a boundary in the nick of time. Kith and kin, सगे संबंधी. All my kith and kin were at the party with me. Lip service, अपना काम निकालने हेतु किसी की हाँ में हाँ मिलाना. I often pay lip service to my mom for getting extra pocket money. Land of milk and honey, एक काल्पनिक जगह जहाँ पर हर चीज़ पर्याप्त मात्रा में हो. A good governance may create a land of milk and honey. Life and soul महत्वपूर्ण अंग होना. Finance is the life and soul of any government. Leave no stone unturned. कोई कसर न छोड़ना. Both sides have vowed to leave no stone unturned in the search for peace. Live in fool's paradise. मूर्खतापूर्ण सोच. Our politicians are living in a fool's paradise if they think they are good and take right decisions. Make both ends meet. पर्याप्त आय. I have no work at 2 jobs to make both ends meet. Move heaven and earth. भरसक प्रयास करना. I moved heaven and earth to get the job as it was much needed to pay my fee and other expenses. Nip in the bud. आरंभ में रोकना. All evil deeds should be nipped in the bud. Null and void. कानूनी तौर पर प्रभावी न होना. The agreement became null and void without verification of the officer. 9 days wonder. चंद दिनों की खुशहाली. A 9 days wonder does not last longer. Out Herod सारी सीमा पार कर जाना. पाकिस्तान हैज out Herod all possible ways for Kashmir. On the brink of के कगार पर. When you borrow more than required, that can lead you on the brink of bankruptcy. On the horns of dilemma. अत्यधिक संशय होना. He is on the horns of dilemma regarding his career choice. Out of sorts. तबीयत खराब होना. Rina is out of sorts today. She may not attend the school. On the last legs. बुरी हालत में होना. The old building is on the last legs. Out of date. प्रचलन से बाहर होना. Wearing a dhoti is out of date now. Off and on. अनियमित. He attends his classes off and on. Off late. हाल फिलहाल का. There have been changes in technology of late. Out of pocket. बजट से बाहर होना. Buying a car is out of my pocket now. One's wits end. सोच की अंतिम सीमा. I put my wits end to solve this mathematical problem. Out and out. प्रत्येक दशा में. You have to complete this work by tomorrow. Out and out. On finger tips. अच्छी तरह याद होना. Every formula is on my fingertips, so I am not worried about the test. Out of the wood. सुरक्षित. You should be prepared yourself to be out of the wood in difficult time. Pick holes in. दोष निकालना. The lawyer did her best to pick holes in the witness statement. Play ducks and drakes. मस्ती में धन बर्बाद करना. One who plays ducks and drakes with his earnings in young age will have to suffer in old age. Pocket an insult. अपमान सहन करना. He left his job as he could not pocket an insult in his office. Point blank. स्पष्ट रूप से. She denied that accusation point blank. Pros and cons. लाभ हानि. Think over all the pros and cons of this project first. Part and parcel. मूल तत्व. Writing is part and parcel of my job. Read between the lines. गुप्त अर्थ. All the documents are read between the lines by liars. रब शोल्डर्स विथ किसी प्रसिद्ध व्यक्ति से किसी काम से मिलना। राहुल इज बॉलीवुड्स मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्टंटमैन एंड रेगुलरली रब्स शोल्डर्स विथ टॉप फिल्म स्टार्स। स्पीक एंड स्पैन साफ सुथरा। आई ट्राई टू कीप माई सेल्फ स्पीक एंड स्पैन ऑलवेज। स्कॉट फ्री जुर्माने या सजा से बच जाना। ए मर्डरर शुड नॉट बी अलाउड टू गो स्कॉट फ्री फॉर हिज क्राइम। स्क्वायर डील ईमानदारी से भरा लेन देन। आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इन अ स्क्वायर डील। स्लीपिंग पार्टनर निष्क्रिय साझेदार। विथ अ स्लीपिंग पार्टनर ए बिजनेस कैन नॉट बी रन। सेफ एंड साउंड सुरक्षित। द बिल्डिंग इज सेफ एंड साउंड इवन आफ्टर द बम ब्लास्ट। स्क्रू लूज मंदबुद्धि होना। पीपुल मेक फन ऑफ देम हु हैव अ स्क्रू लूज। ट्रू टू वंस सॉल्ट वफादार होना। बॉस ट्रस्ट दोज हु आर ट्रू टू हिज सॉल्ट। थ्रो थिक एंड थिन हर परिस्थिति में। गुड फ्रेंड्स विल ऑलवेज बी विथ यू थ्रो थिक एंड थिन। थ्रो एंड थ्रो पूर्णतया। कश्मीर इज द पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया थ्रो एंड थ्रो। टाइम एंड अगेन बार बार। Teachers taught this chapter time and again. Tall talk डींग मारना। Alcoholic people often make a tall talk under the influences of it. The underdog दलित व्यक्ति। The underdogs of the society are living in destitution. To and fro इधर उधर। The children were running to and fro, knocking over all the chairs. To foot the bill, बिल का भुगतान करना। I foot the bill of the party thrown at my friend's house to celebrate his selection as an IAS. To take care of देखभाल करना। Please take care of my child while I am away. To tell upon बुरा प्रभाव डालना। Stop smoking it tells upon the health. Turn one's coat विपरीत गुट में शामिल होना। A successful politician knows when to turn his coat as he never wants to lose his position in politics. टर्न ओवर अ न्यू लीफ पूर्ण रूप से बदलना। अप टू डेट अवगत होना। ही इज ऑलवेज अप टू डेट इन द फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। अप्स एंड डाउन्स उतार चढ़ाव। वन हैज टू सी अप्स एंड डाउन्स इन वंस लाइफ विथ अ व्यू टू के दृष्टिकोण से। I am reading biology with a view to becoming a doctor. With open arms, तहे दिल से। One should welcome one's relatives with open arms. Wheel and woe, सुख दुख। Life is full of wheel and woes. Win laurels, प्रसिद्धि प्राप्त करना। He won laurels of everyone as he topped the exam. Yeoman's service श्रेष्ठ कार्य। Our school is doing yeoman's service to bring the change in the society by its social activities. Zip your lip शांत रहना। I have heard enough. Zip your lip shouted the coach.